This is my first video for English 2. My name is Daniel Steven Castro Garcia. I am 26 years old and I am studying industrial engineer. I'm polite, quiet, reliable, amusing, and funny. I'm not shy but pleasant, easygoing, and very flexible. My house. My room is big. There are a long bed, a new small TV, a bed and white closet, a large and black table. I like watching sports on TV while I'm lying on my bed. The closet is so big that I have not been able to fill it with clothes. My living room is small but very pleasant. There are a great and expensive sofa, a big and black TV, a small and cheap coffee table, and two comfortable, cheap, and dangerous chairs. The purpose of these chairs is for my visitors to leave the house quickly. My bathroom is a good place for me because it's not small but not so big. Everything is white. There are transparent and tall glass in front of a white and clean hand wash, a small toilet, and a shower. Thank you for your time.